Hi everyone, welcome to Faith and Flour. I'm Robin. Today I want to show you how I make overnight steel cut oats. I love steel cut oats, but I don't love how long they take to make. Before I learned this method, I saved making them just for the weekends because they take at least 30 minutes to make, which is not ideal for a weekday morning. I will show you how to spend less than 5 minutes in the evening preparing the oats so that in about 5 minutes in the morning, you can enjoy a bowl of hot, perfectly cooked steel-cut oatmeal. I posted a recipe for this on my Faith and Flour blog a while ago. Now I'm going to show you how to make it with plant-based ingredients, that is vegan. I also make sure to buy steel-cut oats that are gluten-free. I usually use Bob's Red Mills brand, which can be found in most grocery stores. If you like this video and would like to see more, please give me a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Arrowhead Mills also makes steel-cut oats that are gluten-free and organic. I was able to find these at my local grocery store. On the night before you want to serve your oatmeal, in a large pot or Dutch oven, stir together the oats, water, and salt. Then bring to a boil over medium heat. Once the oats have come to a boil, give them a quick stir. Then turn off the heat and cover the oats. Then you will just want to leave these overnight. The next morning you will want to turn the heat back up to about medium-low, uncover the pot, and stir in your choice of nut milk. I use this Silk Protein nut milk because it adds a nice creaminess to the oatmeal. Once the oatmeal has begun to boil, reduce the heat to low and continue to simmer for about 5 minutes or until the desired consistency. Keep stirring through this process so that it won't stick. This recipe makes about 4 servings, but it can easily be doubled. When you're ready to serve, add your favorite toppings. Here I'm using some brown sugar, some craisins or dried cranberries, and some walnuts. Add your favorite toppings and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you found it helpful. Please let me know how you enjoy your oatmeal. Do you like steel cut? Do you like rolled, instant? How do you prepare it for your family? Leave your comments below. And thank you for watching.